Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to clear your ChatGPT saved memories. So to get started, you're going to want to sign into your ChatGPT account and we're going to want to move over to the settings panel. We can access this by clicking on our account icon at the bottom left hand side of our screen and then clicking on settings. So once you're here, you're going to move over to the personalization tab. Go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom. We should be able to see this memory section. So you can go ahead and click on manage, and here you'll be able to see all the saved memories that ChatGPT has about you. So you can mouse over individual memories. In this case, I only have one, and you're going to be able to see a context menu appear on the right side. You can go ahead and click that and then click on delete, and that should delete the memory from your chat history. Alternatively, if you have multiple memories, you can also just click on this button at the top right and then click on delete all memories. It's really that quick and that easy and only takes a few clicks and some menu navigation. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.